Hello friends, we have an issue with Canon Mp250. We have here an error 08. How to get rid of it? Turn off the printer. Now press the stop reset button and don't release it. And press on. Don't release too. Now release stop reset and press twice the stop reset button and release, then on button. We should see here 0 in a few moments. Yes. Now turn off the printer. Now again press and hold the stop reset button. Press and hold on button and release the stop reset. Now press 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And release the on button. We should see here 1. Yes. Now turn off the printer. Take out the power cable, wait about 1 minute, then power on again the printer, and we are done. Good luck and thank you.